Hi again, it's ApriLynn, and today we're going to be making a cozy fall meal. We're going to be making stew and pumpkin cookies. So we're going to get started on the stew because I'm going to make it in the crock pot. I'm going to put my broth and canned stuff in real quick. I'm going to do 32 ounces of beef broth. Then a can of mushroom soup. And a can of corn. I'm going to strain it. Drain it or strain it? What's the correct word? Obviously you can put whatever vegetables you like. I'm just putting all the vegetables I like, which is pretty much every vegetable in the world. Okay, I don't like, I'm not a huge fan of peas. Also, I don't like my stew having any red base, like tomato paste or any tomatoes. That's just me. So this is a creamy recipe with no tomatoes. I love tomatoes, I just don't like them in my stew. Next we're gonna add some carrots. Do I want to cut these up? Maybe. Add to your heart's desired amount, if that made any sense. I should probably measure. I'm probably gonna do about a cup. Okay, that's good for carrots. Now, I'm going to be adding a bag of radish coins instead of potatoes, but you can do potatoes or whole radishes. I just didn't want to cut them. And they're cheaper for this whole bag of coins instead of the little tiny bag of whole. I'm also going to add a bag of sliced mushrooms because this is the easy way. You obviously could do fresh mushrooms. This is 10 ounces. But these are my favorite mushrooms besides fresh. If that makes sense. They taste like fresh because they were frozen. Wow, fresh. Green beans. I don't know if I'm gonna, I think I'll probably add the whole thing. We'll see. I added the whole thing. Okay, we're gonna add an onion and some celery, so we're gonna cut that up. gonna do 2 stalks of celery. Now we just have the meat. I'm gonna cut my meat like bite size because that's what I like. You obviously can do what you want to do. I like small pieces of meat. Not a huge fan of big chunky meat. Like when you cook burger and there's like big chunks. Not me. That's not for me. Because I'm a weirdo. Lastly, we're going to add a packet of onion soup. And then we're going to cook it. I added 2 packets of onion soup mix. And then 2 cans of cream and mushroom. And a packet of beef gravy mix. Okay, I didn't even plug it in. I turned it on, but I didn't plug it in. Ah! Okay, there. I put it on high. While that cooks, we are gonna make some cookies. We're gonna make some pumpkin chocolate chip with cake mix. We're gonna mix all our ingredients together. This is super easy. Packet of cake mix. I am using yellow cake mix. You can also use spice cake mix, but I'm using the sugar-free version. 1 egg. 1 can of pumpkin and some pumpkin spice seasoning. 2 teaspoons of pumpkin spice. Smells like fall. I hope these taste amazing. Stir until it combines, but don't over stir. Whoops, I just spilled some on the counter. Should be stirring with something, not a tiny baby spatula. Spatula. Oh, the oven is ready. Every time I stir, there's more and more cake mix. Lastly, we're going to add some chocolate chips. These are the ones I'm using, Hershey's sugar-free chocolate chips.
turn.
I'm gonna keep a few chips to put on top to make it look beautiful. We're gonna line our baking sheets with parchment paper. My counter is so tiny, I don't have no space. Now we're gonna scoop our dough onto the sheet. What's your favorite fall activity? Now we're gonna press a few chocolate chips on the top of these so that they look like beautiful little cookies. They're not that little, they're actually pretty big. Every year, my family on Jacob's side of the family, we go camping in October when it's like 50 degrees out or colder, and it's super fun. If you haven't camped in the fall, you definitely should. It's so fun. Way more. I personally think it's way more fun than the summer, but I am not a summer person, so. Now we're gonna put these in the oven for like 13 minutes. And then we're gonna taste them. Yum! I believe she is ready. Can you hear that bubbling? ASMR. It smells amazing. Cheers to soupy soup. Is stew considered soup? That is a good flavor. It's really hot, really hot. Okay, I'll let that cool for a second. I have to show you my cookies. Here's how the pumpkin cookies turned out. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's try it. Come on. Look at this cookie. Look at it. Look at the cookie. So soft. Super soft and fluffy. Yes, delicious. Hot. Yum. Ice. That's so loud. Sorry, I just got out of the shower. I'm a little red. Delish. Here's a piece of meat. Perfect. She is perfect. Oh, let's try carrot. Now I'm gonna take my stew and my cookie, watch a show all cozied up on this fall night, and I'll see you in my next video. All the recipes will be linked down in the description if you want to make this. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye! Pew, pew, pew.